Well, good day, model railroaders. I'm telling you, I have a whole new respect for train shows. Okay, so it's like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. Holiday Inn, Scranton, Ontario. A couple guys are showing up already. You can see the truck, trailers. Anyway, this U-Haul was full of tables. I am amazed. We emptied out the truck, and yes, I said we helped out a little bit. I got a bum foot, but through the doors. This is what you'll see when you come in. There'll be probably a layout or something sitting here. But I'm telling you, a whole new respect for setting up a model train show. Bernie's in there in the back left. But everything that was in that U-Haul is now in here. And set up as they're trying to clean up. Lots of people helping out. Hey, there's DB Tech. There's Bernie in the background. Hopefully right there. Might get him. How blurry is that? RJ. Yeah. This is all going on at like late at night, getting this all set up so guys, vendors and stuff can come in here and get all set up. So see how much video I can take of actually setting up a train show. Talk to you in a bit. So we'll have the greeting committee when everybody gets here. Of course, I'll be right behind him. Good old Jake. DB. But yeah, people are starting to show up, set up their tables. Again, whole new respect for setting up a train show. It's not just walking in and buying something. There's a lot of work that goes in between or in behind all this stuff. I know I'm starting to sweat. Shut up, JP.
I got plenty of track.
All right, see you guys in a bit.
Every once in a while.
So yeah, a couple hours before the show, everybody's coming in, getting their stuff all ready. See the main man right off the bat, find out where they're going, how much room they got on a table. And big change from last night. That's what I get for going to bed. Breakfast is served. Coffee. Coffee's a must. Busy place. And just looking from the other door. That's where everybody comes in, way down there. Hustle and bustle, get her all done. A couple hours before the show. Go ahead, you're good. Half hour before the show. JP's getting all set up. He'll be live streaming from the show today. I might do that a little bit, but you never know. All the vendors saying hi to each other. So yeah. Looks like a good day for a train show to me. And there we go, we've opened up the doors.
Okay. Louise pays the check.
Thank you.
You never know, sometimes they find gold.
Bernie's daughter, Bernie's mom, working the counter. Nice steady stream right off the bat. Should be a good show.
Enjoy the show.
Okay guys, I didn't do too much of the show because JP Videos was doing live streaming anyway. So hopefully you guys tuned into that a bit, but it's just getting to the point where guys are starting to clean up. Show's over at 2. Lots of empty tables around for sure, but yeah, like I said, guys are starting to clean up. And of course, a lot of the vendors now get to go out there and play with that. So, DB Tech's showing off his stuff. Becky's kind of helping him. Had food the whole day, dollar beers. Not bad. Bernie was selling his merchandise, mugs, shirts, calendars. A few Hot Wheels sitting there. I'm not sure what that's for, if they bought it or what. But yeah, great turnout, great show. And hopefully you guys have a new outlook on what a train show consists of, setting it all up. And then to the point where you guys come in and you're buying the stuff, but then cleaning it all up too. So I might do one more video at the end here just to show you guys, but you can see some of the people are cleaning up, getting their tables all cleaned up and get out of here. Something like that too. Just can't get rid of that guy. All right, like I said, try to do one more video later on, so off we go. There, it's gone. Oh my God, really? Where do we find these people?